Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will show you how to recover your Netflix password if you have forgotten it. If you don't have your credentials saved anywhere, you can easily reset them by following these steps. First, navigate to netflix.com and click the Sign In button. If you are unable to log in, simply click on the Forgot Password link. You will then be asked to choose between receiving a reset link via email or a text message. I am going to select the email method. Enter your email address into the field provided, and then click Email Me. After the confirmation appears, check your inbox for the message from Netflix. Inside that email, click the Reset Password button, which will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Type your chosen password in the first box, and then re-enter it in the second box to ensure it is correct. If you wish to sign out of all other devices for security, check the box provided before hitting Save. Your password has now been successfully changed. Remember to write it down so you have it for next time. Thank you for watching. If this guide was useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next tutorial.